Today I am going to teach you syllogism topic. In this section, you are given some statements followed by some conclusions. Statement means simply it is a sentence. All statements are sentences, but all sentences are not statements. There is a small difference between these. I am going to explain it. I am writing some Five into 4 is equal to 20. The Earth is a planet. Ramu is clever boy. If you observe these sentences, first one, 5 4 are 20, that is true. The Earth is a planet, that also true. Seven into 8 is equal to 30. This is wrong. That means its truth value is false. Ramu is a clever boy. This is, some students say who are favorable to Ramu says it is true. Some students say Ramu is a dull boy or not intelligent. So its truth value is false. 7 into 8 is 30. It is wrong. So its truth value is false. If you observe these sentences, first one is true, second one also true, last one false. These are called statements. If you observe this, Ramu is a clever boy. It possesses two truth values, that is true and false. Some says it is true, some says it is false. These type of sentences are called, sentences are simply sentences, so this is not a statement. 5 into 4 20, it is a statement. The Earth is a planet, it is a statement. 7 into 8 also, 7 into 8 is equal to 30 also statement, because these sentences are giving one truth value, that is either true or false. A sentence which is either true or false but not both is called a statement. So one, this is a statement, second one also statement, last one also statement. But third sentence, Ramu is a clever boy, it is not a statement, it is simply a sentence. Okay, sir. There are 4 types of statements in syllogism section. I am writing them. here I wrote some statements. All books are chairs, some puris are chapatis, no idli is vada, some upmas are not dosas. So we have 4 types of statements. First one is starts with all. This is considered as A type statement. If any statement starts with all, that is considered as A type. In the second one, this statement starts with some. It is considered as I type statement. Now, if it starts with no, this is considered as E type statement. Last one, here it starts with some and also having not. Then these type of statements are called O type. So we have 4 types of statements. If it starts with all, A type statement. If it starts with some, I type statement. If it starts with no, that is considered as E type statement. Starting with some and also having not, that is called as O type statement. You have to identify what type of statements are given in the question. These are called statements. From this, we are given some conclusions. Some idlis or vadas, no upma is dosha, like that. Here we have to derive these statements from the given statements. To make you understand, one small example I am going to give you, that is, here is milk. Sugar, brew. So these are considered as statements. Let us assume milk, sugar and brew are statements, or we say raw material. Now conclusion. Buttermilk, curd, here rice, brew coffee. So from this milk, sugar and brew, this is considered as statement. You have to assume like a statement. Now, can we get buttermilk from this? Yes, we can get buttermilk from milk. So it is right. Curd, we can get curd from milk. Yes. Brew coffee, that means if we mix this sugar, brew, milk, we get brew coffee. But we won't get rice. So it is not a valid conclusion. So these are statements, these are conclusions. So buttermilk is made from milk, so it follows. Curd can be prepared from milk, it also follows. Rice cannot be made from these ingredients, so it is wrong option. Brew coffee, so brew is here, sugar, everything is given, so you can prepare brew coffee from this. So this is right. In this way, we can get conclusions. Now, one example I am going to give you from previous papers from banking exams. Here are given okay, sir. All jugs or plates all plates are cups, all cups are bottles. These are statements. Now conclusions. Conclusion 1. Some bottles are jugs. All plates are bottles. So you are given 3 or 4 statements followed by some conclusions. 2 conclusions or 3 conclusions will be given. Answers: if we have to give answer 1 when conclusion 1 follows. We have to give answer 2 when only second conclusion follows. If both 1 and 2 follows, you have to put 5 as right option. If 1 doesn't follow, 2 also doesn't follow, then your answer is 4. If either 1 or 2 follows, then your option is 3. So in this way you have to choose options. Now sir, down కావాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? Down. Now here, to answer this type of question, first we have to look at conclusions. Bottles, jugs are given. Here plates, bottle are given. To combine two statements, right diagonal elements must be same. Then only you can combine 2 statements. Now here if you observe these statements, plate, plates, cups, cups, plate, plate. Plate, plates, cups, cups are given. That means right diagonal elements are same. Plate, plates, cups, cups. Here we have to remember 6 techniques. First one is A plus A is equal to A. Second one is A plus E is equal to E. Third one is E plus A is equal to O star. Fourth one is E plus I is equal to O star. I plus E is equal to O. I plus A is equal to I. You have to remember these 6 techniques to solve answers, to get answers in seconds. Now I am applying these techniques. In conclusion 1, some bottles are jugs given. Some bottles are jugs. Here I am trying to find bottle and jug. Bottle, jug, bottle, jug. I am not finding bottle and jug. Here is jug, here is bottle. First we have to look like this: jug, bottle, or bottle, jug. Here I require bottle and jug, these two terms. I have to find these two terms in left diagonal elements. These are left diagonal elements, these are right diagonal elements. So I find here jug and bottle. Here bottle and jug or jug or bottle. We have to get only these jug and bottle terms. So here jug, bottle I got. Plates gets cancelled. Cups gets cancelled. Now I am left with jugs and bottle. Now I am applying these techniques. Here first type statement is A type because it starts with A, all. So second type also it starts with A, all, so A type statement. Third one also starts with all, A type statements. Now I am combining. So first A plus second one also A type, third one also A type. A plus A, from this table A plus A is equal to A. I am writing A here plus again I am going to add this A. A plus A is equal to A. So final result is A. A means all type. By combining these all three statements I got A. A means I have to start the conclusion with all. So I am writing all sir, finding difficulty sir. ఎన్నికి వెళ్ళాలి బ్యాక్
ఇది నొక్కి మామూలుగా అంటే వెళ్ళిపోయింది
రాలేదు అందుకని. సో ఇయర్
నొక్కినప్పుడు ఈ టూల్ బార్ మొత్తం క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోద్ది. మీరు ఎటైనా మా పైకి వెళ్ళాలంటే కిందకి వెళ్ళాలి సరే. మళ్ళీ మీరు ఏమైనా రాయాలంటే ఈ పెన్ మీద క్లిక్ చేయండి, అది ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్. No, by cancelling these plates, cancelled, cups cancelled. I am left with A plus A. So A plus A plus A. A plus A is A. Again A plus A is equal to A. Now I have to start with all. A means all type statement. So I am writing all. These terms are cancelled. Now I am left with jug and bottle. So I am writing all jugs or bottles. This is the derived conclusion from the given statements. So now I am looking at conclusions. First conclusion is some bottle jugs. Here is all jugs are bottles I got. Here some bottles are jugs given. So from this all jugs are bottles can be written as some bottles are jugs or some jugs are bottles. So here given some bottles are jugs. So from this conclusion we write some jugs are bottles or some bottles are jugs. Here given some bottles are jugs. So first one follows. Second one, all plates bottles. Here is plate, here is bottle. So cups gets cancelled. Here A type statement, here also A type statement. A plus A, again all. A plus A is equal to A. That means I have to write the conclusion with all. So I am writing all. I am writing all. Now cups gets cancelled. I am left with plates and bottles. I am writing all plates or bottles. Here I got all plates or bottles. Here also all plates or bottles. So we can say second one also follows. Here one follows and second one also follows. In this case we have to put 5 as right option. If one follows, 2 follows, then our answer is 5. In this way we solve questions from statement conclusion topic. You are given 5 questions, you get 5 marks within 20 seconds if you learn these techniques. Okay.